9 plus 9 gives us 18, and 2 times 18 gives us 36. So 216 divided by 36 is just 6. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and then finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside these parentheses, we have one addition. Here we have a multiplication, because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. So according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do these parentheses, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it's wrong. So first this parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have 9 plus 9, which equals 18. So 216 divided by 2 times 18. Now we have one division and one multiplication. So we have 216 divided by 2, which equals 100. 8 times 18, which equals 1944. And this is our final answer to this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the adventure.